Welcome to Telpax. I'm David Ben Murphy, and we have the Child of God phone in front of us, and we're going to be dealing with the problem of apps. Now, when the phone is in secured mode, there is no app store. Even though Facebook has been installed as an app on this phone, it's being repressed by our settings. But let's say I want to put on a new app. Well, my partner, my accountability partner, or my parent could do it if you know the removal password. So we'll go here to Settings, and we can remove the profile if we know the special code. And I do. And now it's gone. The phone is totally unrestricted, even though the phone is still supervised. The supervision doesn't go away until we erase the phone and not use a previous backup that was supervised. Just basically, you can erase the phone, then it will be unsupervised at this point if that's what we wanted, a simple erasure. But the phone is still supervised, but the configuration is gone from the phone, so there are no restrictions. And there's our app store here. So, assuming I need an app, and I do, I'm going on a trip pretty soon. So, United Airlines app, and that's what I'll need. And let's get it on the phone. Quite easy, all routine stuff. In the meanwhile, we want to get our configuration back. And you do that by emailing from the Mac that created the configuration. You email the configuration profile. I've already done that. Here it is in my email. I just tap on it. Done. Tap again. And next to the done to the left, there's kind of a down arrow. And click on Save to File. And save. And we go to Files. And there's the configuration profile in Files. Tap on that. It tells me that it's ready to go. Go back down to Settings, General, VPN Device Management, and there's the downloaded profile. Tap on that, install, put in the local PIN, and it's warning me about the changes, but hit install anyway. And now we're back to where we started. The phone is now secured. We notice that there's no more application. There's no Facebook showing up, no Facebook app showing up, and there's no App Store showing up. That's been suppressed. But there's United, but if we tap on Facebook, we're not going to be able to get there because right now we have NextDNS filtering out Facebook. But we could use it if our accountability partner has the settings set up for using Facebook or using it for a certain time of day. It could be used not with the app but directly through one of the browsers. And again, we can freely remove the configuration profiles, do what we want to the phone, and put them right back on using the emailed configuration profile. That's about it. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.